Welcome to my day. Today is Tuesday, and do you know that here in Culion, today is officially the first day that people here in Culion are allowed to swim again after since March 13 during the quarantine. Nobody's allowed to swim here. Kaya nga today, dahil ako'y isa sa mga sabik na sabik ng maligo dito sa tinatawag naming Ligod Simbahan. Ayan. And it is raining. Woohoo! So, I gonna swim. Okay, here at the back of the Hotel Maya. Look at Hotel Maya there. Okay, I gonna swim like this. Woohoo! Ang sarap. Ang init ng tubig. Woohoo! So nice feeling to swim again after how many months? Since March 13. Woohoo! And people are enjoying. Like there. Hotel Maya. Pengi naman. Kaway naman kayo dyan. Pengi, pengi. Pengi isa. Pengi isa, pa ba to? Sige na, isa lang. Salamat! Isa lang, babayaran ko. Thank you so much. Kumuha ng mangga. Nandito tayo ngayon. And I want to document the swimming. And I'm alone here, right now. Woohoo! Yun oh! Yun na. Ha! Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng feeling. Talaga. Woohoo!